Summer's over. That means we dive into recipes that match all of the cozy colors of fall. This fall sweet potato stew is being made possible by our sponsor of the video, Pacific Foods Organic Bone Broth, which we've used a ton on this channel. It only takes around 15 minutes to prep, and all you need is a slow cooker. So let's just jump right into it. Take out your slow cooker, optionally lined for easy cleanup, then add into it 2 pounds chopped up chicken breast, however big you want your bites to be, 1 can drained and rinsed chickpeas, 1.5 pounds chopped up sweet potatoes, 8 ounces of baby or chopped carrots, 1 cup of frozen corn, 1 can fire roasted diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 1/2 chopped up white onion, and finally 4 cups Pacific Foods Organic Chicken Bone Broth, which, by the way, if you didn't already know, has 9 grams of protein per cup. Aside from slow cooker recipes, it's also great to make pasta with, or even just as a sipping broth. I'll throw a link to them below in the description. Mix all the ingredients up good, throw your lid on, cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. Give it a mix every hour or so if you're around. So there it is, our first fall recipe of the year. I usually portion this one out into 8 servings. Each serving is around 460 grams. Now, we've made a lot of recipes with sweet potato, so I have a question. What is your favorite way to eat them? Is it in a dessert, recipe like this, as fries? Let me know in the comments below. That said, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out Pacific Foods Organic Bone Broth and all the links in the description below. Subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't already. Smack that thumbs up button if you like this recipe. And of course, stay healthy.